UMLA ke Trinamool Congress TMC u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula buo ke Kylli ba Mano bala yo ban sedang ye ke jingti Dewiong ha ke jela ki Paidbah ne ka Sorkar ya ke nie ula Kylli haba keren halor ke jing yo license banti Dewiong ki saw ngut ki nong shong shnong ha ke jela haba keren shkila pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong.
What has happened today? Today, this government came up with a notification which was designed to deprive our people. We all know that our people, our clan, they have distributed all these mines among their different families, the different beneficiaries who belong to the Ilaka or the Hima or the Akhang land. Now, we all know that when the distribution has taken place, okay, somebody has maybe 5 hectares, somebody may be having 20 hectares. So we all know this. But why did the government try to create this whole hurdle and hardship to deny the overall opportunity that is available for our people by coming up with such a regulation saying that minimum area to apply for mining lease or rather for legal mining will require minimum of 100 hectares. Why is it? That's what I'm questioning. So where is the help? Where is the help? Are they clearing every application on time? Are they clearing every application on time? Just go and see in the office. They want to see that they will try on illegal mining. Have you seen the report of Justice Kataki, where the report has indicated that contrary to what the government has claimed of having 32 lakh metric ton of coal lying in these different coal bearing districts, on his ground analysis with various methodology adopted, including aerial assessment of these deposits, not the deposits, the stocks, it will not cross more than 19 lakh metric ton. That is the contention. That means what? That means what I have said earlier is that the state government has, under its patronage, allowed not just illegal mining, but illegal transportation and sale of this coal which were lying in this coal-bearing district at the cost of the interest of the state. This is reflected by the fact that every time in these coal-bearing districts, there were too many transfers and postings of officers, which is indicative of a motive behind, a predetermined motive. So therefore, today, I must say, with utmost sense of responsibility with which the government should have moved, the government have, the people in the government, people in the authority have misused their position and power, misused their authority to perpetuate these illegalities. This whole delay in legal mining has been with that evil intent to perpetuate these illegalities. Even as we speak now, I am telling you, there are illegal mining taking place now also.